Alright people, Nick Roberts here, and today we're talking how to instantly attract people who are eager as hell to buy. Now in the past, you may be running ads, you may have built up an email list, but you realize not many people are buying. And you may think, my emails aren't very good or my sales funnel has a problem, but it could just be that you're targeting the wrong audience. So today I'm going to share a little story with you called the 2 islands, which are going to fix this once and for all. So you've got 2 islands, Island A and Island B. And on Island A, people don't wear shoes, okay? So these guys have never seen a shoe in their life, and they spent their days climbing over sharp rocks and their feet are all cut up. And when you see them, you think, fucking hell, these guys could really use a shoe, all right? We need to give them a shoe. Now Island B is the complete opposite, and these guys, they love shoes. They're always reading up about shoes, they're buying shoe magazines, they're buying shoes, and everyone's got multiple pairs. So the question is, you're a shoe salesman. Alright, now which island would you be better off selling shoes to? Okay, and when I first saw this question, it wasn't that obvious. And I thought, if I could go to Island A, and if I could demonstrate, how useful a shoe is and how it can solve these guys' problem, I could probably sell a lot of shoes to these guys. And the thing is, I was completely wrong. And if you want to make sales and you want to make them quickly, you should go after Island B, okay? And this is the difference between cold traffic and warm traffic, all right? And sure, you could go after your cold traffic audience, and maybe after a long time, you could educate them and show them how cool a shoe is and make some sales, but it's just gonna be that much more difficult, and they're not really your audience. They're not really interested in what you're selling, all right? You're much better off going after Island B. These guys are warm, these guys are buyer traffic, they've already bought shoes before, and all you got to do is dangle a shoe in front of them, and they're going to be like, I want it, where can I buy it, show me where I can buy it, okay? And this is the difference between these audiences, okay? And you're just that much closer to the sale. So always keep that in mind when you're marketing and think, am I actually going after a buyer audience here, or am I spending a lot of energy on this cold audience, okay? And if you just make that little switch, then hopefully you can make a lot more sales, all right? Hope you enjoyed this little video today. I hope you enjoyed this little tip. If you did, give us a like, give us a little subscribe. I really appreciate it. And I'll catch you real soon in the next video, all right? All the best. Take care.